Did you know that up to 40% of people aged 65 or older have some form of memory impairment? That's a startling number. Welcome to another episode of Health Watch Daily, where we delve into the complex world of health to make it accessible for you. Today, we're lifting the veil on a phenomenon that many of us have experienced, but few of us understand: the elusive brain fog. This mysterious cognitive impairment can leave us feeling confused, forgetful, and unfocused. But what causes it? And more importantly, how can we clear the fog? In this episode, we'll be exploring the 7 most common causes of brain fog and providing you with effective, science-backed strategies to combat it. So, if you've ever found yourself lost in a haze of confusion or forgetfulness, this episode might just have the answers you're looking for. Let's dive in. Brain fog isn't merely about occasional forgetfulness or difficulty in concentration. Its effects ripple out far beyond, impacting all spheres of life: personal, professional, and social. Consider this. You're at work, trying to complete a critical project, but your mind feels as though it's wading through thick sludge, making it challenging to focus or remember key details. Or perhaps you're spending time with loved ones, but find yourself struggling to keep track of conversations or express your thoughts clearly. Moreover, in an increasingly competitive world, the demand for intellectual agility is at an all-time high. An untimely bout of brain fog could result in missed opportunities, subpar performance, and elevated stress. Over time, this chronic mental fatigue can affect career growth, strain relationships, and dampen the overall quality of life. Equally important is the impact on your sense of self-joy. Imagine trying to savor a beautiful sunset, a captivating book, or a stimulating conversation, only to have the experience marred by a foggy mind. Without the ability to fully engage with and appreciate the world around us, life's simple pleasures can seem dull and unfulfilling. In essence, the impact of brain fog extends well beyond the mind, seeping into every corner of our lived experience. Its implications are far-reaching, affecting not just how we think, but also how we experience life. Before we delve further into this fascinating topic, we'd like to ask a small favor. If you're finding our content valuable and insightful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you more health insights and reach more viewers who could benefit from this information. Thank you for being part of our Health Watch Daily community. Now that we've grasped the far-reaching impacts of brain fog, let's dive into what causes it and how we can effectively clear it. Number 1. Stress. Our first culprit is stress. Chronic stress can overwhelm the brain, leading to foggy thinking. But don't worry, stress can be effectively managed. Practices like mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, and regular physical activity are proven stress busters. Number 2. Lack of sleep. The second cause is lack of sleep. Skimping on sleep can impair various brain functions, including memory, attention, and decision-making. The remedy? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Quality sleep can significantly enhance cognitive functions, clearing the fog. Number 3. Hormonal changes. Particularly during pregnancy or menstruation, hormonal fluctuations can cause memory problems and confusion. Regular consultation with healthcare professionals during these periods can help manage these symptoms effectively. Number 4. Diet. Your diet plays a key role too. Foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats, or sensitivity to specific foods like gluten, can lead to brain fog. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, can help maintain steady cognitive functions. Number 5. Medications. Some medicines may have side effects that include brain fog. If this happens, it's important to discuss alternatives or dosage adjustments with your healthcare provider. Number 6. Medical conditions. Certain conditions like fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, anemia, depression, diabetes, migraines, Alzheimer's, and dehydration can lead to brain fog. Regular health checkups and adherence to treatments are vital here. Number 7. Sedentary lifestyle. Lastly, lack of physical activity can compromise cognitive functions and result in brain fog. Regular exercise, even a brisk walk or light yoga, can help keep the brain fog at bay. Now, you might feel overwhelmed looking at all these causes. But remember, every cloud, or in this case, fog, has a silver lining. Even though brain fog might seem daunting, it can indeed be managed and even completely overcome with these research-backed methods. Each of these remedies has scientific evidence backing its effectiveness. From the stress-busting power of mindfulness, to the cognitive-enhancing benefits of quality sleep, from the positive impact of a balanced diet on brain function, to the power of exercise in boosting mental clarity. All these strategies come with a solid scientific seal of approval. So, banishing brain fog isn't an insurmountable task. With conscious efforts and these practical strategies, you can clear the brain fog and reclaim your mental clarity. Remember, your mind is an incredible tool, and with the right care, it can function at its best, fog-free. Now that we've armed you with this knowledge, it's time to take action. Reflect on your own experiences. Have you been feeling foggy? Can you identify any of the causes we discussed that might be contributing to your brain fog? We encourage you to choose at least one remedy from our list and incorporate it into your routine over the next week. Whether it's getting more sleep, adjusting your diet, or introducing a stress-busting practice, every small step can make a big difference. And we'd love to hear about your journey. Share your chosen action and your progress in the comments section. Not only will you be helping yourself, but your experience could also inspire others in our community. Together, we can clear the fog and pave the way to better cognitive health. And last but not least, if you found this video valuable, we'd appreciate it if you could like it and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us reach and educate more people about these essential health topics. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.